Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all of you doing well. Myself Avinash Kumar and you are watching our channel Physics Life. Students, today we are going to discuss basic mathematics topic, and even in the basic mathematics today we are going to discuss basic calculation part because it is very important to solve the numericals in a minimum time for JEE and NEET kind of examinations. So let's start with a basic question. Square root of 1.02. Students, we have to find square root of 1.02. Suppose if you go by using normal method, it will take so much time. So I'll give one formula. I'll give one formula to solve this kind of numerical. A concept is there. What is that concept? 1 plus x power n. 1 plus x power n is equals to 1 plus n into x. Whatever the power is there, will multiply in x. Whatever the power of n will multiply in x. But some condition is there, we'll discuss later about this. First, I will write all the formulas. Suppose 1 minus x power n is there. Similarly, same n, this power will multiply in x. So finally, 1 n into minus x become minus nx. 1 into 1 minus x power n. This power is multiplied in x, so it become what? 1 minus nx. Similarly, 1 plus x power minus n. Again, same story. Will multiply this power and my power minus n into x. So minus n into x become how much? 1 minus x. And the last one, 1 minus x power minus n. Again, same rule. This power we need to multiply in x. So minus x into minus n become what? 1 plus nx. Minus n into minus x become plus nx. But this power we are able to multiply. Only and only when x is what? Much less than 1. Otherwise we are not able to multiply this power into x. Please remember, when x is much less than 1, then only we are able to multiply this power into x. Now use same formula here, use same pattern to solve this numerical. Dear student, we can write like this. Square root of 1.02, we can write 1.02 power 1 by 2. Now further we can expand this one. 1 plus 0.02 power 1 by 2. Now it came in the form of 1 plus x power n. 1 plus x power 1, first one. So this power we need to multiply here, and I told the condition already, x should be much less than 1. So here x, in the place of x, what is there? 0.02. So 0.02 is very much less than 1. So we can multiply this power in this one. So finally 1 plus 0.02 into 1 by 2. Now this 2 cancel. Finally 1 plus 0.01. Finally our answer is 1.01. So square root of 1.02 is nothing but 1.01. Let's discuss one more question. Like same, suppose we have to find 0.97 power cube. 0.97 power cube. Now this number is less than 1, so it is obvious that it will come in the form of 1 minus x. So we'll write 0.97, we can write 1 minus 0.03. I think we can write like this, 1 minus 0.03 and power 3. Now in the place of x, 0.03 is there, and I told already if x is much less than 1, so we can multiply the power. So here x is what? Less than 1, so we can multiply this power 3 in this one. So finally it will be 1 minus 0.03. This one, solve this one. Finally 1 minus 0.09. Finally our answer is our answer is 0.91. 0.91. So finally 0.97 power cube is nothing but what? 0.91. 0.91. Okay. Let's discuss one more question. Suppose we have to find, for example, suppose we have to find 1 upon 1.04. Suppose we have to solve 1 upon 1.04. So how to solve this question? Very simple. First we'll bring this denominator into numerator. Bring here. So it will become how much? 1.04 power minus 1. Anything in the denominator. Bring here. So obviously minus power will come, as we know. So finally 1.04. So obviously this number is more than 1. This number is more than 1. This number is more than 1. So we can write 1 plus 0.04 power minus 1. Now again same story. Story is same. What? 1 plus x power n. This x is again very small. So now we can multiply the power in x. So this power we can multiply here. So finally it will be 1 plus 0.04 minus 1 minus 1. So finally it will be 1 minus 0.04. Finally our answer will be 0.96. So 1 upon 1 upon 1.04 is nothing but 0.96. Okay, please note down. Now let's discuss some more calculation. For example, as we know, for example, suppose pi equal to, as we know, 3.14. Pi equal to how much? 3.14. And we know already pi is also equal to 22 by 7. Pi is also equal to 22 by 7. So pi square we can write small g. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. I think you have studied in class 9, 10th. And what is acceleration due to gravity? The value g is how much? 9.8. 9.8 meter per second square. We are talking about only magnitude right now. So pi square is what, equal to g, and pi square also we can write 10. Pi square also we can write approximately how much? Pi square also we can write approximately 10. Approximately 10. How will you use this concept? How will you use this concept? Suppose you are solving some numericals, and in middle of the story you got something divided by pi. This something may be any number, 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, anything, any number. So 1 upon pi, how to solve? Very simple. So what we'll do, we'll multiply pi and pi, we'll multiply pi in the numerator, and also we'll multiply what? Pi in the denominator. Now multiply pi, 1 into pi, and this pi already there, pi into pi. So finally pi into 1, pi, and pi into pi is what? Pi square. And pi square how much? As I told, pi square how much? 10. So pi by 10, finally it will be, as we know already, this is 3.14 and this is 10. So finally our answer how much? 0.314. 0.314. Similarly, we'll remember some more story like root 2. Square root of 2 how much? 1.414. As we know, square root of 3 how much? 1.732. Similarly, square root of 5 how much? 2.236. We'll remember all those things. Clear? Then only we can solve the question, we can solve the numerical in a minimum time. Now suppose now 1 by square root of 2. 1 by square root of 2. How much? We'll remember this one full 0.707. 0.707. How will you use this one? Now see, how will you use this one? How will you use? See. Suppose you have to find, suppose you are solving some numerical, and middle of the story you got You got suppose 10 by root 2 or anything, है ना, anything in the numerator doesn't matter, but in the denominator how much, root 2. So how to solve this one? If you're writing like this, suppose you have written like this 1.414. If you have written root 2 is 1.414, root 2 in the denominator, and if you written suppose 1.414, so again so much calculation required to solve this one. Yes or no? Again, so this is the wrong method. This is the wrong method, will not solve like this. Otherwise, again, some more calculation required. Clear? So how to solve this one? We'll use this story. Means 10 upon root 2, we'll write like this 1 by root 2 into 10, and 1 by root 2 we know already 0.707, and into 10, finally our answer will be how much? 7.07. So this is our answer. I think clear. Now suppose next. You have studied ideal gas equation, PV equals to nRT. Let's write this one first. PV equals to nRT. P pressure, V volume, N number of moles, T temperature, and what is R? Universal gas constant. That value, numerical value of R, how much? 8.314, like that. Or you can say 8.3. Now suppose you are solving some numerical and you are going to put R value 8.314. So it's a very tough. Why? Because after decimal so much numerical is there. Or you can say suppose R is only 8, so it's a very easy to solve. But now R value how much? 8.314. So we'll not use this one. Will not use this one. But what will use? R value will use how much? R value will use 25 by 3. So definitely if you write R equals to 25 by 3, so definitely some cancellation will be there, 100%. Some cancellation will be there. So R value will use how much? 25 by 3. Okay, write down. If you want to write anything, pause the video, write, and then again press the play button, then video start. Now let's discuss some more variety of calculation. For example 785,269 divided by just random number I'm taking, 6431. Suppose you have to solve this calculation. And if you see here, I think numerator and denominator both are not divisible by same number. I think I have taken intentionally. Clear? I think it is not divisible to any number, both. Clear? So how to solve this one? So the method I'm going to discuss, that is only valid for the case when number of digits in the numerator is much more than number of digits in the denominator. Clear? This condition means number of digits in the numerator much more than number of digits in the denominator. Now I can cancel 1 and 9. This is cancelled. Oh, sir, how you can cancel this one, sir? If it's 0 here, 0 here, then only you can cancel. Then how you can cancel this number? In the numerator 9 is there, in the denominator 1 is there. How you can cancel? You can cancel. No problem is that. Why? Because our aim is to reach not accurate answer, approximate answer. Our aim is to reach approximate answer. Clear? And one more point I have to discuss here. In JEE and NEET kind of numerical, you will never find that options are very close. For example, suppose first option is 90, second option is 90.1, third option is 90.2, last option 90.3. You will never find this kind of option. Clear? Option will be not so much close. Rare of the rare. So what I'm saying here, we can cancel 1 and 9. No problem in that. No problem. Our aim is to reach reach accurate answer, reach towards accurate answer. Clear? Now again now we can cancel 3 and 6. Sir, again you are doing the same thing. Yes, you can do, no problem in that, no problem. We have to keep at least two digits in the numerator. Sorry, we have to keep at least two digits in the denominator. Clear? And the starting I told already, this rule is valid when number of digits in the numerator is much more than number of digits in the denominator. Now we can solve like this. Now we can write 7852 divided by 64. Clear? Now this number is now divisible. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by 4 or 2, I think. Clear? But no need to divide this one. Let's solve directly. So here 60. Now our answer is coming. Our answer is coming how much? Our answer is coming 122.6. Our answer is coming 785269 divided by 6431. So exact answer, the real answer or exact answer, the correct answer is coming. Correct answer coming how much? 122.1. And our answer is coming how much? 122.6. So we can say both are approximately same. Both are approximately same. So in this question, they will give option like this. Suppose first option 1110, second option 11122, second option 122. See third option 135. Last option they can give 140 or 145 like this. Clear? So our answer will be 122 approximately. Our answer will be 122. Okay. Now you can note down this one. You can note down. Let's discuss last question of the video. Suppose 89657 divided by 456. We have to solve this one. Again, concept is what? Number of digits in the numerator much more than number of digits in the denominator, and in the denominator we have to keep two digits. Rest we can cancel. So this 6 now cancel with 7. No problem. Our answer will be approximately same. No problem. Now write down finally 8965 divided by 45. This one. Now further you can divide, because both numerator and the denominator cancel by 5. You can cancel it. Otherwise you can solve. You can solve. No problem in that one. So let's suppose cancel with the 5. So finally it will be 1793 divided by 9. Finally again divide this one. So 9 199 point something our answer. So our answer is coming approximately 199. Let's check the correct answer. Eight nine 657 divided by 456 equal to. So if you solve here, exact answer coming approximately 197, and our answer coming how much? 199. So we can say what we have calculated, that is very close to real answer. So we can solve also like this. Okay. So for this question, option will be maybe given like this. Suppose first option 180, second option 197, third option third option 210, last option 230. So we can say we have calculated 199, that is very close to 197. So our answer will be closest answer 197. 197. Okay. Now it's time for closing the video. We'll meet again in the next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.